Hello everyone, welcome to OpportunityCircle.com, the number one opportunities discovering platform for youth. Today we bring you a golden opportunity for Pakistani students as well as international students. This is an AGC recognized scholarship. Today we bring you the Stipendium Scholarship 2021 Study Free in Hungary. This is a fully funded scholarship open. This is now one of the most attractive scholarships for international students because each year Hungary accepts more than 5,000 students from all around the world to study in Hungary with fully funded scholarship. If you were waiting for the international scholarships to study abroad for your bachelor's degree, master's degree or PhD degrees or other scholarships abroad, then this is one of the bright opportunities to study in a European country with fully funded Government of Hungary scholarship. With a healthy and comfortable living atmosphere in the heart of Europe, Hungary offers high quality education. Hungary also has the largest number of scientific Nobel Prize winners per capita and various scientific inventions ranging from vitamin C to Rubik's Cube, etc. among the top countries. The Stipendium Hungarian Scholarship Program was initiated by the Hungarian government in 2013 and has been coordinated since 2015 by the Tempest Public Foundation. The program is focused on bilateral education cooperation agreements signed by or between institutions between the ministries responsible for education in the sending countries and Hungary. More than 70 sending partners are currently participating in the projects on 5 continents. The goal of the scholarship scheme is to meet the increasing demand for foreign students to study in Hungary, to produce a growing number of students since the program was launched, and to support the overall internationalization of Hungary higher education. The duration of different programs offered in this scholarship are: the duration for bachelor's program is 2 to 4 years, the duration for the master's program is 2 years, and the duration for the doctoral program is 4 years. Eligibility criteria for these programs: applicants from eligible countries can only apply for the scholarship. Applicants applying for the bachelor's degree must hold high school, secondary school graduation certificates. Applicants who want to apply for master's program should be able to submit bachelor's degree certificate. Applicants who are applying for doctoral degree program must have bachelor's and master degrees. Some other information is: applicant must have at least 12-year or equivalent education to apply for bachelor's or 1-year master degree application and must be in between 18 to 22 years of age. Students must have a bachelor's or equivalent degree for master's degree application and must be under the age of 35 years. Applicants must have a master's degree and transcript for the application of PhD program and must be under the age of 40 years. Be in good mental and physical health. Language requirements: there is no specific language requirement for the Stipendium Hungarian Scholarship 2021 by AGC, but IELTS and TOEFL will be helpful and also depend on the university requirements, but it is not compulsory. Students can apply without any language test. Required documents for this plan are a CV, a motivation letter, a statement of purpose, passport or ID card, educational certificates, medical certificate, recommendation letter, research plan or study plan, acceptance letter which is only required for PhD. The benefits of the scholarship are that this scholarship will cover all your registration and tuition fee, monthly allowances, bachelor's and master's fee, that is around 43,700, that equals to 130 euros, and PhD fees is 415 euros, accommodation and medical insurance. So now we move forward towards the main part of this video, that is the application process. Before submitting your application, please read the current call for application carefully. In case you are interested, contact the sending partner in your country, for which in Pakistan is HEC. With the help of the application guide, submit all the necessary application documents to the online application system of Tempest Public Foundation. Select the university you want and you are entitled to apply for 2 programs by clicking on the.
Are you enjoying the video? Do press the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and latest content. Also join us on our Telegram to get daily opportunities directly in your inbox.
Apply now link, you will be redirected to the Stipendium Hungarian official website. From here you can choose your country, select your country of citizenship and then click on become an applicant. From here you have to sign up for this program. You have to fill in your full name, your email address, your Skype name, your mobile phone number, your citizenship, and if you have a reference code. Then you have to accept all the privacy policies. That is, I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. You can check out the privacy policy on this link. I hereby give my consent for handling my necessary personal data in the framework of the Stipendium Hungarian program. I hereby accept that the Tempest Public Foundation contacts me through newsletter regarding the Stipendium Hungarian program if my scholarship application is successful. I have read and agreed to the statement of application. I hereby give my explicit consent for handling my necessary health personal data in the framework of the Stipendium Hungarian scholarship program. You have to tick all these and then click on sign up and continue. From the sign up page, you will be redirected to the access code page. You have to write and save this access code in your notes or wherever you want. This code gives you access to your account on this website and allows you to modify and submit your applications. Click on I wrote it down and continue. After clicking on continue, you will be redirected to the official home page of the Stipendium Scholarship. Click on your profile, select my profile. Here you will see that you have received an email, a verification email on your email address. By clicking on that link, you will see that you are again redirected to the home page of the Stipendium Hungarian Scholarship. Click on sign in and verifying your email, you will be redirected to the Stipendium home page. Click on find program. You can apply for a maximum of 2 programs. Select your desired academic terms, means your academic year. Study languages, for example you want to study in English. Your program, bachelor's, master's, non-degree program, 1-tier master's and doctoral programs. We'll select master's program. You can add your field of study here, adding business. Here you have 27 search results. These are different universities offering different programs under your discipline. When you click on apply now, that program is added to your application and then you have to fill the main application form. Here you can see the first option is priorities. Read this whole section and this is really helpful for you. This gives you all the information about your study programs. When you go towards the end of the you will see that you have 2 programs listed here. You can also delete these and start a new application for your desired program, or you can continue your applications for these programs. You have to complete this profile and you have to go on to profile. You have to fill in your name, all the information over here. You have to select your identification document, that is passport and ID card. You can give it information for both or just for one. One is compulsory. You can either select passport or you can either select ID card. For that you will have to get information about that. Source of identification, then you will select your gender, your citizenship, country of residence, parents information, their name, your date of birth, country of birth and place of birth. Have you been a scholarship holder in the Stipendium Hungarian or other bilateral program financed by Hungary? You can select whatever option and your formal photo. From here you have to, after filling in, you have to save. Then you have to go to contacts. You have to fill in your contact, your telephone, evening, home, day, work if specified, address, street address, house number, city, town, village, postal code in your country. Again click on save. Go to your education section. On this section you have to give information about your level of education, status of studies, official name of school, university, institution, start of studies, program name, expected graduation, or if you have graduated then your date of graduation, scientific discipline, nominal length, subfield, mode of study, financing source. These are not the compulsory requirements, but you can add these as well if you have any of these. Country, city, study location, study language, GPA, maximum GPA, and if you want to add any other information you can add that by clicking on insert new block here. Click on save. Go to language. You have to select your native language, and do you have a B2 language certificate in Hungarian language, and would you like to perform your studies in either selected full degree program? You can select your options. Number 1 is no, I do not have a B2 language certificate, or I will not like to study in Hungarian at my full degree program. And if you have one, you have to select I have a B2 language certificate in Hungarian language and I would like to study in Hungarian at my full degree program. If you wish to start your studies at a full degree program in Hungarian language and you have at least intermediate B2 level knowledge of Hungarian, you need to answer yes. You can read this and then save this and go to employment if you have been employed. In your activities, insert new block. You can add your activities, nature of activity, from, organization name, and to. Your residences, country, from, purpose of stay. No, if you have been a resident, please type your answer to the following question about all your present and past residences with the exact dates of the stay. Please note that all fields are mandatory and have to be filled out properly. Please only enter information about your stays abroad if they were extended periods 1 month or more. For example, as a foreign exchange student or working, please do not include short travels, backpacking, tourism related trips. This is just for residences purposes if you have stayed in any country for more than a month. Then here comes your document section. You have to upload all your required documents that are required for that specific program that you're applying to. Motivation letter, and then others. In this section, you can let us know about your further information that has an effect on your application or your study period. Medical info, in case you consider it is important to inform the university of your medical condition, please do. If you are not nominated in this Tibanian Hungarian, I am still interested in studying in Hungary, please consider me as a fee-paying applicant. Please do not consider my application as a fee-paying applicant any further. You can select one program from here. And this is a checklist: proof of foreign language proficiency, transcript of records, medical certificates, passport, and bachelor's or master's school certificates. After you have filled in all the information and you have clicked on the checklist, provided all the documents required in the checklist, then you can click on submit. After filling in the Hungarian scholarship portal, you have to fill in the HEC portal. For that, we have attached the link in the description section below. For the HEC link, first you have to create an account. If you have already created an account, then fill in your user ID and password and sign in, and if you are not, then click on register. Here you have to choose your identity, your CNIC type, CNIC number, your region, password, confirm your password, cell phone number, and your primary email. Enter this code and your account will be created. After creating your account, HEC page, here you will see dashboard, online help, my profile. Then click on scholarship and grants, go on learning opportunities abroad, application form. By clicking on the application form, program you're applying for, your discipline, the discipline to which you want to apply, your field of study, business, any you want. Click on yes and yes. Click on next. This is the application details, country which you are applying, discipline in which you are applying, foreign university, institute. From here you have 3 options over here, but on the stipendian page you have to apply into 2 universities maximum. Copy that information from that page over here and then click in your options over here. After that, select your preferred test center: Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar, Quetta. Then the research proposal, abstract, statement of purpose, you have to add those, it is your choice. Then comes in academic applicant details. You have to select the academic distinctions, professional degree record, previous scholarship section, and English proficiency. Then you have the undertaking, application processing fee details, deposit the slip number. You have to submit the application code, the slip number that on which you submitted the date and the amount and branch with the complete address. Upload the slip. So after uploading the slip, Tick the undertaking statement and then click on submit. After completing the HEC portal, your application will be complete. Visit the Opportunity Circle official website for more scholarship and job opportunities.